Hello friends, in the last video we have finished questions from 25 to 75. Now in this video we will complete after 76 to 108. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the notifications button so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So let's begin with question number 76. Since he was aware of all their ways, he did not force them change their methods. यहाँ पे mistake है D. Since he was aware of all their ways, he did not force them to change their methods. आना चाहिए था. Changed नहीं, change. To change their methods आना चाहिए था. Instead of them change their methods, force them to change their methods should have been there. The answer is D. Question number 77. The caretaker of the zoo allowed all the visitors to wait and watched the animals even after visiting hours. यहाँ पर wait, watch. Watched is in past tense. We have to use present here. Wait and watch the animals even after visiting hours. The answer will be C. Question number 78. Unless you undertook new projects and complete them in time, your loan cannot be sanctioned. Here, this is something we are taking in present tense. Your loan cannot be sanctioned. Unless you undertake new projects and complete them in time, your loan cannot be sanctioned. आना चाहिए था. Undertook नहीं, undertake आएगा. Question number 79. They left before completion of the work because they were in a hurry to go. There is no error in this sentence. इस sentence में कोई गलती नहीं. Next, question number 80. If you find that you cannot solve the problem, you had consulted others in the office. Sentence has fault in D. D में गलती है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था. If you find that you cannot solve the problem, you may consult others in the office. Would be the right expression. So expression यही होगा. You may consult others in the office, or you can consult other in the office. Had will not be here. Had आएगा ही नहीं किसी भी हालत में. Question number 81. They think that the newly recruited employees do not get fully involved in the institute's work. The answer is C. क्योंकि यहाँ पर do not get fully involved आना चाहिए था. Instead of involved, there should have been involved here. Question number 82. Question number 82. The documents were kept in a plastic bag and hence were not spoiled due to heavy rains. The documents were kept in a plastic bag and hence were not spoiled due to heavy rains. There is no fault in this sentence. इस sentence में कोई गलती नहीं है. 83. The manager appealed to all the customers to assemble in the hall and waited for him. To assemble infinite के साथ in the hall and to wait for him आना चाहिए था. When we are using the infinitive to assemble, we have to use to assemble in the hall and to wait for him. So the answer is D. Question number 84. Is it not better to borrow loan than to beg? Here the fault is in B because loan is unnecessary here. When you are borrowing, it implies that you are taking a loan. जब आप borrow लिखते हैं तो ये माना ही समझ में आ ही जाता है कि आप एक लोन ले रहे हैं. ये वैसा ही है जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था. I will go for a morning walk in the morning. आई विल गो फॉर अ मॉर्निंग वॉक भी हो सकता था। यहां पे हो सकता था इट इज नॉट बेटर टू बोरो देन टू बेग। लोन इज अननेसेसरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 85। Question number 85. We discussed the matter in full details with my friend's uncle, who is an university professor. The fault is in D here. Because in D, who is a university professor आना चाहिए था। जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा है, पहले हमने वॉवल्स पढ़े थे तब, यहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है। भले ही लिखित में यू है जो कि एक वॉवल है, बट साउंड इसकी कॉन्सोनेंट है। साउंड में वाई की साउंड आती है, इसलिए अ यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफेसर होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 86। दो हिज एक्शंस वर severe criticized, he did not lose his temper and dealt with the matter in a gentle way. The answer to this is B. Though his actions were severely criticized आना चाहिए था। Question number 87. His face gave us a clearly indication that he was free from all his worries. The answer is B. His face gave us a clear indication आना चाहिए था। His face gave us a clear indication that he was free from all his worries. We should have used clear instead of clearly. Question number 88. The main function of these employees is to provide good and effective customer service. This sentence has no error. Question number 89. They visited the place because they wanted to see for themselves the damage caused by the floods. Here, they is in plural, so themselves must agree with it. It's a reflexive verb. It's a reflexive pronoun, so it must agree with they. For themselves, the damage caused by the floods. Question number 9. Manisha's father has planted this tree 10 years ago, just 2 days prior to his sudden death. यहां पर हैज का इस्तेमाल अननेसेसरी है। जब अगो लगा दिया है तो हैज नहीं आएगा। यहां पर ये सेंटेंस करेक्ट होगा, मनीषा's father planted this tree 10 years ago. हैज हटा दिया जाएगा। हैज विल नॉट बी देयर व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग अगो। द आंसर इज ए बिकॉज ए हैज फॉल्ट इन इट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. By the time we reached the railway station, the train had been arrived and passengers had alighted. यहां पर had been नहीं होगा। By the time we reached the railway station, the train had arrived and the passengers alighted. The answer is C. Question number 92. Question number 92. They wanted to hold a meeting of all those who had remitted the requisite fees. The answer is A. They wanted to hold. Held का मतलब हो चुकी है। Hold का मतलब रखना चाहते थे। They wanted to hold a meeting of all those who had remitted the requisite fees. Instead of held, we should have used hold. Question number 93. The driver decided to take a left turn, though he was aware of the risk involved in doing so. 93. No error. इस सेंटेंस में कोई गलती नहीं है। Question number 94. 94. It being a holiday, we decided to go out for a picnic to the nearby national park. In 94, the error is in C because out on a picnic would have been more appropriate. Out for a picnic की जगह out on a picnic अगर लगाते तो यह सही बेहतर होता। Question number 95. 95. Of all the teachers in our school, our history teacher is the best. 95. No error. There is no error in this question. इसमें कोई त्रुटि नहीं. Question number 96. By virtue of his great ability, he has been able to get various positions. The answer is B, because instead of ability, there should have been abilities. Ability की जगह abilities आना चाहिए था. Question number 97. No book is as absorbing as the novel I am reading written by Premchand. ये सेंटेंस को खास गौर से देखें. सही लगता है बट सही है नहीं. जब हम as absorbing as ये as वाला कंपैरिजन कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें लगाना होता है no other book is as absorbing as the novel I am reading written by Premchand. ये other जो किताब आपके पास है, जो चीज आपके पास है, उसको दूसरी चीजों से अलग करने का काम करता है. This other separates the thing that you are talking about other things and helps you with the comparison. Question number 98. The question is so complicated that it could not be solved immediately. यहाँ पर is के साथ could agree नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि is हम present में लगाते हैं और could past का हो गया. The question is so complicated that it cannot be solved immediately. Here is does not agree with could, is agrees with can. The question is so complicated that it cannot be solved immediately. Question number 99. Things will not improve unless you yourself look into it. Things will not improve unless you yourself look into them. यहाँ पर things plural है, thing नहीं है, things है. Into it की जगह into them आना चाहिए था. Instead of into it, it should have been into them because things are plural. He not only believes in hard work but also in honesty of the highest order. Instead, the fault is in A because not only should have come after believes. He believes not only in hard work but also in honesty of the highest order. Believes के बाद not only आना चाहिए था, ना कि पहले. So the answer for 100 is A. 101. Why is it that don't you understand even when it is explained to you again and again? ये क्वेश्चन का नेचर असर्टिव है. ये लगता इंटरोगेटिव है बट ये असर्टिव है. सो डोंट यू की जगह यू डोंट आना चाहिए था. Why is it that you don't understand even when it is explained to you again and again? Instead of don't you, we should have used you don't. So for 101st, the answer will be B. For 102nd, you should behave with others the same way as you would expect them to behave with you. This sentence has no error, so the answer will be E. इस sentence में कोई त्रुटि नहीं है, जवाब E होना चाहिए. This is one company who not only sells its products but also gives good after sales service. This is one company who does not only sells its products but also gives good after sales service. Here, the company, it's a company, it's not a person. So instead of who, it should have been the company which not only sells. The company which. So the answer is A since the fault is in A. यहाँ पे कंपनी की बात हो रही है, किसी इंसान की बात नहीं हो रही है, इसलिए हु की जगह विच आना चाहिए था. 104th. I had sent him reply to his letter sometime last week. The answer to 104th is also A. I had sent him. मैं भेज चुका हूं. This thing has already happened. लास्ट वीक, पिछले हफ्ते ही हो चुका है. सो सेंड की जगह सेंट आना चाहिए था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 105. Had you encouraged him in this endeavor, he would had succeeded. The answer is D. Had you encouraged him in this endeavor, he would have succeeded. Had की जगह have आना चाहिए था. Instead of had, we should have used have. 106. Arun, along with his family, goes for morning walk every day in the nearby park. Here, instead of goes for morning walk, we should use goes for a morning walk every day in the nearby park. So answer for 106th is C. Next, 107th. When it comes to comparison between the two, quality is most important than quantity. This mistake is obvious. जब कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री का ही इस्तेमाल करें. कंपैरिजन, कंपैरेटिव. यहां पे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. क्वालिटी इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. या कंपेयरिंग क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी. So we will use a comparative degree, not a superlative degree. So instead of most, it should have been more. Since there is a fault in C, C is the answer. 108. It was not clear from the manual of instructions whether it should be signed or not. The answer to 108 is A. It was की जगह it is आना चाहिए था. It is not clear from the manual of instructions whether it should be signed or not. This is all for usage of English grammar and the rules. We will begin with the next chapter. Next chapter we will start with sequences of sentences. The next video will cover the questions and the type of this sequence of sentences. We have finished with the English usage and grammar. And if you are new, please subscribe, hit the notifications button. If you are already a subscriber, please like the video, please share the video so that your friends can also benefit. And please tell us in the comments whether you like the video or if you have any problem. Please share with us. Thank you. Keep working hard.